knows that this Reliance 501 favorite water heater, I think it's the best water heater ever made. I'm gonna do a pressure test on it, and I guarantee you it's still holding pressure. This one is in really good shape. Still got probably the original anode rod. Sell it, but I love these old water heaters. This one's a little bit rougher. Service call, but I'm super excited because I've had nothing but good luck with those. Still going strong, like 30 plus years later. I'm off to do a water heater installation. Back into the jungle. Not gonna work. Water coming out of the back there. Old temperature pressure relief. There, we got a lot of water left. I'm gonna replace the gas line, put a better flex line on. Okey-dokey. Alright. That's it. Changed the gas line. Changed out one of the supply lines. I can't make this shed work. There's just too much in my way. Got our strap on here. We could probably tighten this down a little bit more. She ain't perfect, but she's in. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Consider subscribing to the channel. And have a great day.